we already requested last November 23 through the Philippine Center for Transnational Crimes for the inclusion of Mr. Saldico in the Interpol Red Notice. Noon pong November 23 pa po.
Kamusta po ang status po ng
Well,
application?
we've been doing constant monitorings, and the last time we checked this morning, nalaman namin it's still being evaluated by the Interpol's Notices Diffusion Task Force. The request is being evaluated in terms of its form and substance.
Yung mga ganyan, sir, gano'n po ba katagal bago ma-approve?
Well, may mga iba na mabilis na na-approve, may mga iba naman na medyo it takes time, kaya po kinakailangan natin sagayin.
Sir, moving forward, in case po na ma-approve po, ano po mangyayari sa mga yung deportation, possible deportation?
Okay, what will happen is that the Interpol will notify all of its member states na meron na pong red notice, and that there is a warrant of arrest issued by a member state coming from its local court. So sabi ko po, bagamat hindi valid o walang effectivity o ang warrant of arrest issued by a local court before the jurisdictions where that Mr. Saldico will be found, ito po ay nangangahulugan na hindi pwede magamit yung warrant of arrest. However, alam naman po natin that the passport has been cancelled, so undocumented alien na po si former Congressman Saldico, kaya pwede pong ma-aresto naman yan by virtue of the violation of the immigration laws ng country kung saan matatagpuan.
Sir, is there a possibility that he's using
In verifying whether the name which was used, in the event meron nga, is actually used for purposes of leaving the country and entering another jurisdiction.
Sir, if not mistaken, ang last info ni SILG nasa Portugal. Do you have other